Page 305. This is first lesson in Unit 25. And this unit apparently is on modes. Gotta love those modes. So what's a mode? Well, a mode is a set pattern of whole steps and half steps. It's a scale. We've had C major and the majors and minors. Okay, let's just stick with the white keys. C major and A minor. Okay, they're modes. C major is a mode, A minor is a mode, different modes. Well, there are 7 notes in the scale, and there is a mode for each note. Didn't care for these when I had to study them in college, still don't care for them, but the book is covering them, so here we go. C major, the major mode, is called Ionian. That's what they're showing here, Ionian mode. Now, the different modes, what they do is they're simply moving the half steps around. Because in an Ionian mode, which is a major scale, you have whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's the pattern. Well, in a minor mode, which is the Aeolian scale, or Aeolian mode, we move the half steps. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. They moved. So I can go up the scale using the white keys, and I'm going to get a different mode on each one. When I get to the 6th step, that's the minor here. All I did was move the half steps. So here, the half steps is whole, whole, half. If I go up one, now it's whole, half, whole, 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 half. They moved. If I go up again, now you start with a half, half, whole, 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 half. Oh, wow. That's all they're doing. They're just moving the whole steps and half steps around. It changes the harmony slightly. And you'll find them in music, especially in middle ages back in broken before. Lots of modes back in there. Just seem to love them back there, and people are still using them. So this Ionian mode here, they're showing you Yankee Doodle. Well, it's major, C major. That's Ionian mode. Okay, any major key is in Ionian mode. I don't want to get into this. That's what it is. And the next few lessons, we're going to go through the other modes and explain those a little more. I'm only going to explain basically what the book does because I don't do a lot in modes. I don't teach them. I don't have videos on them. But the book has them, and it's nice to know what they are. And if you're into composing, you might want to use some of these modes because it alters the harmony a little bit, provides some variety.